Hello everyone, my name is Vishu and welcome to Vishu Realty. Today's video is about property ownership and what all goes around with it. Please stay tuned and let's get started. The anatomy of property ownership. Ownership is a matter of interest. Ownership in real estate depends on the specific interest a person holds. Even the strongest form of ownership is shaped by public and private restrictions. Ownership varies by degree, is defined by law, and is always limited in some way. No one owns property absolutely. The first limit of ownership: government powers. All real estate ownerships is subjected to 4 fundamental government powers. These powers exist to serve the public good and can override private ownership rights. They include police power, eminent domain, taxation, and escheat. Now, what are government powers in practice? In Illinois or many other major states, eminent domain includes a process called quick take, where government may take possession before compensation is finalized. If an owner dies without a will and without heirs, the property does not go to the state. Instead, it escheats to the county where the property is located. Defining your stake: estate in land. An estate in land defines both the degree and the duration of ownership. To qualify as an estate, the interest must allow possession and must be measurable by time. Estates are divided into leasehold estates and freehold estates. The highest form of ownership: fee simple estate. A fee simple estate represents the highest and the most complete form of ownership recognized by law. It is unlimited duration and is inheritable. Fee simple absolute is unconditional ownership. Fee simple defeasible is ownership subjected to a condition that may cause the property to revert if violated. Ownership for a lifetime. Life estates. A life estate is a freehold estate measured by the life of a specific person. It is not inheritable. When the measuring life ends, ownership automatically passes to someone else through a future interest. Mechanics of a life estate: future interests. A conventional life estate is essentially created by the property owner. A life estate, per authorway, is measured by the life of someone other than the life tenant. Ownership: when a life estate ends, ownership passes either to a remainder interest or a reversionary interest. Legal life estate and homestead protection. Other major states and Illinois law has replaced older concepts like dower or courtesy with modern protections. Homestead protection is a legal life estate that shields part of primary residence from unsecured creditors. The exemption is $15,000 for a single person and $30,000 for a married couple. Both spouses must sign to release homestead rights. Encumbrance and right to use land. An encumbrance is a claim or limitation that affects the use or title of the property without transferring ownership. Easements are a common type of encumbrance. An easement appurtenant benefits a neighboring property and runs with the land. An easement in gross benefits a person or company, not other parcels. Lifecycle of an easement. Easement may be created by agreement, necessity, prescription, or condemnation. In Illinois, prescriptive easement require open, notorious, continuous, and adverse use for 20 years. Easement may terminate through merger, release, abandonment, or court action. Other limits on title and use. Liens are financial encumbrances that secure a debt. Deed restrictions, also called covenants, conditions, are restrictions limit how property may be used and run with the land. Licenses are personal permissions, not interests in land. Encroachments occur when structures cross property boundaries. Where land meets water. Water rights depend on location. Riparian rights apply to following water like rivers and streams. Littoral rights apply to large bodies of water such as lakes and oceans. Accretion adds land slowly, erosion removes the land gradually, and avulsion is a sudden change that does not alter boundaries. The complete picture of ownership. This final slide brings everything together. All property is subject to government powers. Ownership is defined by estates in land, and specific limitations like encumbrances affect title and use. Understanding how these layers interact with each other is critical for any real estate exam and your professional practice. Thank you so much for staying for this video. In the next video, we'll be going over ownership and hope to see you there. Thank you so much. Have a lovely time.